Okay, it's 11/17, 1 June 2023, and I'm just here. I was looking for some pictures and I came across this folder from 2017 and I didn't, anyway, I just never named all these pictures. Good grief, no, I don't want to play that. So I just went through and spent time identifying the things by the picture and making, what, 8 folders there of different models that I've worked on. That's what it was. I was looking for this here. That's what it was. I was looking for these pictures, which, let's see here, open with that. Okay, there we go. So here's the one I had at the beginning, or back in 2017. If you can see that, great. So there's that. I'm just going to race through this. Wait. Yeah, that's a 2017 that I had and took those pictures back in 2017. So that was what, 6 years ago, right? Okay, so this is the model that I had way back when, and I sold it, but I had an issue with this is where the speaker wires go, if I remember right, and that's just not wired right. So I'm going to make sure when I open this one up that I have, that I'm going to get some better pictures of it and such, because I know you have to unsolder those speaker wires to take the chassis out. Alright, so there's the chassis, and here's, well, there are those speaker wires that I showed you a moment ago, and anyway, so just more wires I had to solder, and belts I took out, and the old motor, and all this. So this will help me deciphering what's wrong with, and yeah, so, alright, so, yeah, okay, well, just, and there we are, back at the beginning. Alright, so now let me just wide out, okay, let me wide out, okay, great, so here I am. Now, a few days ago, or I don't know, a week ago or something, I got this model and that model together at a store. I wouldn't say a thrift store, but a store, right? So this one runs on batteries. It works. I refurbished it, got it working. Sounds great.
On the Bible.
There's the radio. It's in stereo.
Guitar shredder.
Going, right?
You can catch her
anyway. Well, that's not what I'm here about. I'm here about to plug this thing in, which I forgot to do. Here is the TRC-918. 6 years later, plug this thing in, and I want to see what it does. So, okay, so how do you turn this thing on? It's on. It's on. Oh, no. Power. There we go. So the radio works, right? So it kind of sort of works, right?
Got you zone, but I'm on it. Just screaming my name and say, Daddy, I'm.
Alright, so that works. Let's see, if we put it on, that's on radio, it's on tape, put it on. That's not good, is it? Let's see here. So that's on the tape without even turning the tape deck on. If we turn the tape deck on, well, we're going to have to clean something here, I'm not sure what, but I just wanted to show you that I have a history with this model, and it's good to have all those pictures I took from back then. And now this is a baseline as to what's working. Oh, this does, wait, hit stop, hit eject, give me my tape out of here, right, because this was, okay, this has never been eaten, so I better not eat this thing here, hope not. There we go, so hit that, hit play. Oh, goody. Let's see here. So, give me some volume. I'm sure it's because the controls are all everything dirty and cruddy and like that it's got a hum in there. Nothing in that channel. Just that channel? Okay. Nothing over here, so it's probably clean the recording bar switch and maybe all these other switches. Nothing over here. Right? That's why this power levels meter is not registering on this side because there's no signal going to it. But there is sound, which we can turn up, so it's got to be a full blast, and that's down. And so there's something having to do with one of these switches being too dirty. Who knows? Yeah, so, but the radio, let's see, let's go back to the radio. Okay, so it's in the switches because the radio does come out of this channel. Alright, so that's all I'm going to let you know. I'm going to take this thing apart, turn that off, give me my tape. Great. And once I repair it, it'll be, you know, for sale. Because I'm not terribly interested in this model, but I know it's a rather popular model because it's so well built, or it's so sturdy, if you will. But I prefer my Toshiba over this one, but I don't have it out here. But that's neither here nor there. So good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day, bye-bye.